The elections to the Panchayati Raj institutions are conducted by the correct answer is State Election Commission. In 1959, Panchayati Raj was established in India. Tenure of every panchayat is 5 years. The Panchayati Raj system is for only those states जिनकी 20 लाख से ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन है. वहीं पर ही ये सिस्टम एस्टैब्लिश करा जा सकता है पंचायत का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु अपॉइंट्स द स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन? द करेक्ट आंसर इज गवर्नर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, mosses and lichens are found in which kind of forest? The correct answer is tundra forest. Tundra forest is relatively little rainfall and extremely cold temperature. Tropical rainforest का continuous rainfall होता है throughout the year. An example इसका होगा the Amazon forest जो कि वर्ल्ड का सबसे largest tropical rainforest है. Next, temperate forest. It is founded between the tropical and boreal region and is second largest biome in our planet है. 25% of the world's forest area temperate forest का है. Coniferous forest. It is characterized by needle-like leaves. इन forest के needle-like leaves होते हैं. Next question. What does P in pH stands for? The correct answer is potens. pH is the measure of how acidic or basic the water is, and it was described by Danish biochemist Søren Peter Lauritz Sorensen in 1909. The P stands for power and the H stands for hydrogen ion. Next question. Which of the following acids is found in spinach? The correct answer is oxalic acid. और एग्जाम्पल्स देख लेते हैं इसके. ऑक्सैलिक एसिड के स्पिनिच, टोमेटो, पेपर. बेंजोइक एसिड क्रैनबेरीज, प्लम्स. टार्टरिक एसिड टैमरिंड, ग्रेप्स, पाइनएप्पल्स, पोटैटोज, कैरेट्स. मैलिक एसिड apples, bananas, pomegranate, grapes. Glutamic acid onion. Tannic acid tea. Erucic acid mustard oil. Next question. Which gas is the component of biogas? The correct answer is methane. Methane contains about 52 to 75% of the biogas. ये major component है biogas का, and the minor component is कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो कि 25 to 50% ऑफ द बायोगैस का होता है. एंड बायोगैस इज अ रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which among the following gases is used in the artificial ripening of fruits? The correct answer is acetylene. Other uses acetylene के हैं welding, cutting, producing rubber, creating polymers and resins, production of dyes and pigments. ये है other uses acetylene के. एंड सोडा की जो गैस होती है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से ली जाती है. एंड लाइट बल्ब में जो गैस होती है वो आर्गन की होती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज यूज्ड इन फोटोग्राफी? द करेक्ट आंसर इज सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. एसिटिक एसिड इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन फोटोग्राफी इंडस्ट्री. इस चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which is the most popular coal in the commercial use? The correct answer is bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is used for commercial purpose. It is relatively soft in nature. Anthracite coal, it is known as hard coal. Highest carbon content होता है इसमें, highest energy density होती है इसमें. Lignite coal is also known as brown coal. Which of the following acids is used in purification of gold and silver? The correct answer is nitric acid. Nitric acid is highly corrosive in nature, and oxalic acid is usually used to remove rust, tarnish, and ink stains. What was the name of the operation that led to the annexation of the Hyderabad state into India? The correct answer is Operation Polo. कुछ और operations देख लेते हैं. Operation Vijay. It was conducted to free Goa from Portuguese control, and ये हुआ था 1961 में. Operation Meghdut to seize Siachen Glacier in Kashmir. ये हुआ था 1984 में. Operation Sunrise against insurgents on the border of Myanmar, and ये एक joint operation था, Operation Sunrise by the government of India and Myanmar. Next question. The national song of India, Vande Mataram, is an excerpt taken from the novel Dash, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The correct answer is Anand Nath. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote Anand Nath, a Bengali fiction, in 1882. Gitanjali, written by Rabindranath Tagore. He had also won Nobel Prize in Literature. Durgesh Nandini, it was a Bengali historical romance. It was also written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee again. Next question. Who was the first nationalist to give the theory of the drain of wealth from India to England? The correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was also known as Grand Old Man of India. He had also written a novel called Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, published in 1867. Next question. Lala Lajpat Rai was an active member of which organization? The correct answer is Arya Samaj. Lala Lajpat Rai, he was an active member of Arya Samaj since his college days. He also joined Congress and he was a part of the extremist group. आर्य समाज के फाउंडर थे दयानंद सरस्वती. आर्य समाज की बिलीफ थी कि देयर इज ओनली वन गॉड एंड ये आइडल वर्शिप के अगेंस्ट थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What was the name of women's regiment in the Indian National Army founded by Subhash Chandra Bose? The correct answer is Rani of Jhansi Regiment. The Indian Army, which was led by Subhash Chandra Bose, was divided into Subhash Brigade, Gandhi Brigade, Nehru Brigade, and a women's brigade, which was called the Rani of Jhansi Regiment. It was led by Captain Lakshmi Swaminathan. Next question. Who wrote the Panch Tantra, a collection of fables? The correct answer is Vishnu Sharma. Whose autobiography is titled Waiting for a Visa? The correct answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Important works of B.R. Ambedkar: The Problem of the Rupee, published in 1923. Annihilation of Caste, published in 1936. Other biography जो important है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, Why I Am an Atheist by भगत सिंह 1930. उन्होंने ये लिखी थी लाहौर सेंट्रल जेल में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाटी इज अ फोक डांस ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स? द करेक्ट आंसर इज हिमाचल प्रदेश. ये फोक डांस इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज ये गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में एज द लार्जेस्ट फोक डांस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड है, तो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Udaipur was founded by Dash after the fall of Chittor to Akbar in 1568. The correct answer is Rana Uday Singh. Next. Which law was imposed in India during the command of General Dyer? The correct answer is martial law. Martial law was imposed in India during the command of General Dyer. On April 13, 1999, General Dyer signed the Martial Law Act, which stated that no more than 2 people might establish a group and congregate in one location. Though